Hey there, fellow drone enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where today we have an exciting showdown between two incredible drones. We're here to compare the DJI Mavic 3 and the DJI Phantom 4, two heavyweights in the drone world. So, without further ado, let's dive into the ultimate battle of the skies. Drone Showdown: DJI Mavic 3 versus DJI Phantom 4. Before we dive into the comparison, let's take a quick look at each drone's key features. Starting with the DJI Mavic 3, it's the latest addition to DJI's Mavic lineup, boasting some impressive upgrades. This drone is packed with a powerful Hasselblad camera, a foldable design, and an array of intelligent flight modes. The Hasselblad camera on the Mavic 3 delivers exceptional color accuracy and detail, allowing you to capture professional-grade aerial imagery. DJI Mavic 3 Key Features: the Mavic 3 comes with a Hasselblad camera that shoots stunning 20-megapixel stills and can record 4K video at 60 frames per second. Its 1-inch CMOS sensor delivers exceptional image quality, and the adjustable aperture allows for great flexibility in various lighting conditions. With its 10-bit vlog color profile, the Mavic 3 enables professional-grade color grading in post-production, giving you greater control over the final result. Additionally, the Mavic 3 introduces the Master Shots feature, where the drone autonomously plans and executes complex shots using advanced flight planning and subject tracking. This makes it easier than ever to capture cinematic footage without requiring extensive piloting skills or knowledge of complex camera settings. DJI Phantom 4 Key Features: meanwhile, the DJI Phantom 4 sports a 20-megapixel camera with a larger sensor, capable of capturing breathtaking aerial shots. It can also shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring smooth and cinematic footage. The Phantom 4 Pro's camera also features a mechanical shutter, reducing rolling shutter distortion and enabling better image quality in fast-moving scenes. One notable advantage of the Phantom 4 is its dedicated remote controller with an integrated 5.5-inch display. This eliminates the need for a separate smartphone or tablet, providing a convenient and streamlined setup for your flights. The display offers a bright, clear view of your live video feed and telemetry data, allowing for efficient and hassle-free operation. Flight Performance Comparison: Mavic 3 vs Phantom 4. When it comes to flight performance, both drones offer exceptional stability and maneuverability. However, the Mavic 3 takes the lead with its extended flight time of up to 45 minutes, while the Phantom 4 offers around 30 minutes of flight time. The Mavic 3 achieves this extended flight time through its high-capacity battery and efficient propulsion system, allowing for longer aerial sessions and more creative opportunities. Mavic 3 Extended flight time and advanced obstacle avoidance. Additionally, the Mavic 3 also comes equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance sensors on all sides, ensuring a safer and worry-free flying experience. With its advanced APS 5.0 system, the Mavic 3 can autonomously navigate complex environments and avoid obstacles, making it ideal for flying in challenging locations or capturing dynamic shots in close proximity to objects. One major advantage of the Mavic 3 is its compact and foldable design, making it highly portable and easy to carry on your adventures. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or exploring remote locations, the Mavic 3 can fit effortlessly into your backpack, allowing you to capture stunning aerial shots wherever you go. Its foldable arms and propellers are not only convenient for transportation but also ensure quick and hassle-free setup, so you can focus on capturing incredible footage. Phantom 4 Robust design and stability in windy conditions. On the other hand, the Phantom 4 boasts a robust and iconic design that has been a hallmark of DJI's Phantom series. Its sleek and aerodynamic body is not only visually appealing but also contributes to stable flight performance even in windy conditions. The Phantom 4's larger size also provides better stability and resistance to gusts of wind, making it a reliable choice for capturing steady shots in challenging weather conditions. Portability and Design Comparison: Mavic 3 vs Phantom 4. Both drones offer a range of intelligent flight modes that elevate your aerial photography and videography experience. The Mavic 3 introduces exciting features like Active Track 5.0, which allows for more precise tracking and subject recognition. It can detect and track multiple subjects simultaneously, ensuring that your subjects remain in focus even in complex scenes. Additionally, the Mavic 3's Focus Track feature enables you to create professional-level shots such as circle, course lock, and waypoint 2.0. Both drones are geared towards capturing high-resolution images with survey-grade accuracy. However, the Mavic 3 Enterprise includes a number of notable camera upgrades compared to the DJI Phantom 4 RTK as listed below. Camera comparison. Both drones feature a 20-megapixel camera, but the Mavic 3 has a larger 4/3 TMOS sensor compared to the 1 TMOS sensor of the P4. The benefit of having a larger sensor size means that the sensor can house larger pixels. Larger pixels improve the camera's capability of capturing more information, which leads to better low-light performance and a reduction in overall noise. For comparison, the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise has a 3.3 micrometer pixel size, compared to a pixel size of 2.4 micrometer on the P4 RTK. The DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise has a shorter shooting interval of 0.7 seconds, compared to the 2.5 seconds interval of the Phantom 4 RTK. Intelligent Flight Modes Comparison. Mavic 3 vs Phantom 4. The Mavic 3 also boasts an improved hyperlapse mode, enabling you to create stunning time-lapse videos with ease. With just a few taps on the screen, you can capture time-lapse sequences with movement, making your shots more dynamic and visually engaging. The Mavic 3's hyperlapse mode also allows for the adjustment of interval times and camera parameters, giving you full creative control over the final result. The Phantom 4, on the other hand, comes with its own set of intelligent flight modes that have been favorites among professionals for years. Its Taffly feature allows you to simply tap on the live view on your smartphone or tablet, and the drone will automatically fly in the designated direction. This feature is great for capturing aerial shots while focusing on framing and composition. The Phantom 4 also features waypoints, a flight mode that allows you to pre-plan and program a precise flight path for the drone. This is perfect for capturing complex shots or for repeating specific flight patterns. Additionally, the Phantom 4's Active Track feature enables the drone to intelligently track and follow moving subjects, ensuring that your shots remain focused and smooth even in dynamic scenarios. Ultimately, the choice between the DJI Mavic 3 and DJI Phantom 4 depends on your specific needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize portability, extended flight time, or advanced camera capabilities, both drones offer incredible features that cater to different use cases. We hope this comparison has provided you with valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which drone you prefer and why. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting drone content. Until next time, happy flying.